Thanks for staying with us on the debate. I'm Niranjan. The second wave of infections has made one thing very, very evident to all of us. Our politicians have taken us for granted. It's the hard fact. They don't like it, but we will say it. So while Indians are struggling to find beds, to get oxygen supply, or find medicines, the political class is busy fighting with each other and violating COVID norms even as we speak. Here's why we should all keep the negativity out and power through the fight.
In Visakhapatnam, this couple lost their 18-month-old to COVID. In Bengaluru, there are queues for prescribed medicines. As India struggles to breathe, some netas are trivializing the suffering.
जिस प्रकार का ये संकट आया है, इस संकट में हमको डाटा के साथ नहीं खेलना है। हमको लोगों का कैसे स्वास्थ्य ठीक हो, कैसे उनको हम राहत पहुंचा सकें, सारा ध्यान हमारा सब उधर ही होना चाहिए। अब जिसकी डेथ हो गई है वो वापस हमारे शोर में जाने से जीवित होता नहीं है। हम हर संभव प्रयत्न करेंगे कि सब लोगों को बचाया जाए। अब डेथ्स कम हैं या ज़्यादा है, इस विवाद में पड़ने का कोई अर्थ नहीं है।
Some using the religion card. Some attacking those enforcing lockdown. Political parties violating COVID protocols for votes. And amid the crisis, there is also vaccine politics. Rahul Gandhi has tweeted, "People's money was given to vaccine companies to develop COVID vaccines. Now Government of India will make same people pay the highest price in the world for these vaccines." Once again, the failed system fails the citizens for Modi Mitra's profit. Can these select few compromise India's battle against COVID? Especially at a time when it's all hands on the deck to ensure India wins the fight.
An order issued on Sunday evening, the state government has prohibited all oxygen manufacturing units from supplying the gas to industries till further orders. It is further directed that these units will be provided for their entire production of oxygen for medical purpose.
We cannot let netas divide and jeopardize our efforts. Let's debate.
Hi everyone, I am Aishwarya Kapoor. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.